Guys, today I'm going to be organizing all of my fidgets. Right now I have any here, but I think it's time to organize. So this used to be my old art bin. I have a bunch of stuff in here, so I think it's time to clean it up. And then I have this for any other thing. And then I have this for craft day, for today's craft. But I think I'm going to be needing some beads, so I should probably save these beads, but I'll be back after I finish cleaning this mess out. Okay, so I cleaned it out, but I think I'm gonna keep. I'm gonna take out all of these things because you can like take them out, like this. See? So I'll be back when I take them all out. Okay, I didn't take all of them out because areas for my craft area and other areas just to separate the fidgets. So I'm gonna put these in there. So then for any like crafts that I need ropes or anything, I'll have them. So yeah, I'm gonna put them. This I gotta shovel them, which is kind of hard. Stay. Thank you. One sec.
Is there something different about you, Ray?
No.
Change your hair?
No.
She thinks she can pass us to Dad. What? I'm trying. At least I bought this easy off blue.
So where's Devon?
Oh, we got snowed in at the airport.
Too bad. I was hoping he'd be there. Anyway, Ray, I just came by to see if you could keep an eye on my rig. I got it parked right out your window.
Hey, so how does your rig handle in the pow-pow?
You know, that's trucker talk for snow.
It is? We just call it snow. But the truck, it was like a 12-ton dream.
Okay, so I got my pipe cleaner for any other things. No, I don't have another one. I only have one pipe cleaner right now. Yeah, it's only green, so I can always cut it though. Then I have my beads for I just have it in a special. Would that close? No, it would not. Actually, I could use this container for a fidget at some point. But let me get these.
Hey, do I come to your town and show you what's
Hey, sweetie, surprise!
I thought you weren't coming.
Okay, so I just finished that. Time to organize. Oh yeah, I do have stickers for any others, so let me just get these in here. Because why not? Now okay, so I think I'm gonna get all my moochies now. I need to put a lot of moochies in. So here I'm gonna put my mini squishy. This is gonna be for all my mini stuff in my art. So yeah. So that means I cannot put in my what's it called? Big moochies because it's not mini. This is the size of it. And here's the size of a regular moochie, which is basically small. And then these are the minis. I can't put the minis and the regulars in though. It may take up a lot of space, but it's fine.
Rick's just sitting over here.
Says here this rig is registered to a James O'Malley. So who were you?
Jimmy's shopping friend. He let me borrow his rig. And he also let me borrow this mustache. See, because we're friends. But Jimmy, that's what truckers do. Truckers jump together.
Okay, you two do not look like any truckers I've ever seen. What?
Thanks, John.
Fitzgerald? Yeah. Says here you're Raven Baxter. So which is it?
Actually, my name's Ricky Baxter, but around
They call him Big Ray. This here is no dad.
It's Daddy.
Okay, so
Debbie.
and little Debbie, huh?
Yeah, that's right. Right, 10-17 on the 7th time. We are here in the double zone in the house. So I explain it. We are here with the crowd from the
Did you eat lunch today?
Okay, you know, I've heard enough.
You got nothing on me, Copper. I'm making it work for you.
Look, you two. I don't know what you're up to. It's freezing out here. My whole ears are broken, and the starting to whistle Chattanooga choo-choo.
I like that song.
So I'm gonna let you off with a warning. Your license checks out, but I don't want to see you again.
Okay, all right. Copy that. Catch orders. Look.
Oh, yeah, we got it.
Look at my girl.
Oh,
Guess that makes me
sorry. I have my mini spike balls here, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, these are my mini spike balls, so I can put these in here. But I'm gonna put them right here, though. I'm gonna put all my mochis in this pile, actually, and then put regular mini stuff in this area. No, mini stuff. I think mochi should go. This should be the mini stuff, and this is all the mochis because I have a lot of mochis. If that doesn't work, I'll put them in the two-sider. But yeah. I got my mini monkey noodle.
What do you mean? I'm up here crushing it. Crushing what? These people's spirits? I'm sorry, Booker. I've been trying my best to pretend I'm not upset that Dad's not coming, but
Got my roll rings, which actually isn't very mini, but oh yeah, those were all my mochis, and I think, right? Yeah, those are all my mochis right now.
you don't have to be disappointed
So
anymore.
this is the mini,
I saw you and Dad dancing.
and I forgot one mochi. Where it is? My big mochi. Okay, got my mochi area done.
I'll let Tess wear it. Well, if you want my vision to come true, you better get it back. Oh, Dad, you look so cute dancing in that dress. Thanks. I think you're really cool. Yeah, speaking of which. Wow, Booker, you can really dance. So can you. Really? I hope so, because I don't have much practice. I don't get asked to dance a lot. What? Why not? Probably because I'm so much taller than boys my age. You are? I didn't even notice. You're so funny.
Okay, I'll be back when I finish doing this. Bye. Be back. Okay, so I just finished. There, that's what it looks like. I'll give you guys an overview so then you guys can see it better. That's what it looks like. Time to close this baby up, and then you guys have to be back for part 2. This may take a while to close up, so I'll be back when I close it. I think. I'll be back when I close it. I couldn't close it, but that's it for today's video. Be back for part 2. Bye!